Hello everyone. We have already finished our all 4 lectures of soil science. This regarding milk, and in last lecture we have seen a few questions regarding to the milk. Okay, while we are discussing the milk topic, I have told you that I'm not going to just let me teach all the 4 topics. All the after that I'll show you the questions regarding the milk. Also, I have told you some important points that I will show you at the end of all the 4 lectures. Today I'm going to show all the questions that have been asked previously in the examinations. And now it will be very easy for you to answer all these questions because all the things have been taught in the class. Okay, let's start. First is breaking of milk fat globules into a smaller uniform size is known as, of course, its answer will be homogenization, because in homogenization I taught you that larger fat globules are broken down into a smaller fat globules of less than 2 micrometer, okay, to delay the cream formation. Okay, next question is SNF in cow milk as per the standard of food illustration, that is 8.5%. Okay, I've shown you one chart in which we have shown the fat as well as the SNF content of cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, everything I've shown you there. After that, RS test is done to check the purity percentage of which milk product. Then RS test is done to check the purity percentage of ghee. Okay, see, and regarding this question is regarding the lactation. The question is the secretion of milk by the granular secretory tissue of the milk animals and their collection in the various duct system, terminating in the letdown when subjected to a specific stimuli. That is lactation. Already I have discussed. Means the milk is secreted by the granular tissue which is collected in the various duct, and when there is a letdown of milk, when there specific stimuli like hormones like oxytocin is gives stimulation, then there is a letdown of milk. That is known as lactation. Emulsion that is found in the milk that is while in water. Okay, this also we have discussed. Which element is responsible for yellow color of milk? That is carotenoids. Okay, which hormone is responsible for milk letdown? That is oxytocin. What is the SNF content of recombined toned milk? It's 8.5%. This also we have discussed. Yellow color of cow milk is due to the presence of protein. Okay, after that, what is the buffalo? Why buffalo milk is not yellow in color? Because that lacks carotene. Right? Okay, that beta carotene is converted into colorless vitamin A. That's why it is yellow in color. Milk availability per capita according to 2017-18 is 355 grams. Bacteria is removed from the milk by using centrifugal force. Okay, then in the techniques used in the milk I have taught you, that is bacterifugation. SNF in cow milk, that is 8.5%. Amount of blood passing through the udder for 1 ml of milk production, that is 400 ml. This as also I covered where in the last topic regarding the milk production, milk formation. Okay, next, some important points regarding milk. Cow milk is light yellow or creamy in color due to the presence of carotene. Buffalo milk is white in color due to the presence of casein. Don't confuse in this. Hormone responsible for milk synthesis is milk synthesis, not letdown. For letdown, it's oxytocin, but for milk synthesis, it's prolactin. The carbohydrate or sugar present of the milk, that is lactose. That lactose is disaccharides. Then its monosaccharide units are glucose and galactose. Milk is deficient in iron. Operation flood, of course, it is related to the milk. Milk production is maximum in which state? Uttar Pradesh. Fat globules in the milk are in the form of emulsion. Which type of emulsions? While in water. Protein is present in the form of colloids. Okay, protein content in colostrum of cow is 12.8% and in buffalo colostrum is 21.4%. These things also we have discussed in the classrooms. Hay can be stored if the moisture percent is below 16%. Legal standard for solid dot fat in cow milk is 8.5%. Letdown of milk in cow is due to the secretion of oxytocins. Milk lipid is lecithin. Glucose plus glucose. Okay, that is maltose, and glucose plus fructose, that is sucrose. Glucose plus glucose, this is lactose. Lactose, maltose, and sucrose, these all are disaccharides. Sulfur containing amino acids are cysteine, methionine. See, there are two types of amino acids. One is essential amino acids and other is non-essential amino acids. Total 20 amino acids are required for the formation of protein. And then amino acids is divided into two parts. One is essential amino acids and other is non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those amino acids which are required from outside. Okay, that is not present in the body. But when you talk about the non-essential amino acids, means that is already present in the body, that is not required from the outside. That's why that is known as non-essential amino acids. And you know that amino acids are amphoteric in nature, means it contains base as well as acid group. Casein consists of nearly 80% of the total protein present in milk. Lactose and minerals are present in the milk in the form of solution. Milk is the poor source of iron and vitamin C. Hormone responsible for letdown of milk, of course, oxytocin. Casein is responsible for the viscosity and white color of milk. This also I have taught you there. The most variable constituent of milk is fat. Protein, which is soluble in water and heat coagulate, is albumin. Milk fever in cow occurs due to calcium deficiency. This already I have covered in the disease section. Milk protein is known as casein. Cow milk is yellow in color due to beta carotene. Okay, milk let down due to oxytocin. This question is being repeated repeatedly. Milk holding up is due to epinephrine. Red color of meat is due to the presence of oxymyoglobin. Brown color of meat is due to metmyoglobin. And beta carotene and xanthophylls imparts yellow color. Cow milk color is pale yellow. Buffalo milk color is creamy white. Whey color is greenish yellow. Skim milk color is bluish. First step after receiving the milk is preheating, and that is done at 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. After preheating, there is immediately it is followed by the cooling, that is done at 4 degrees Celsius. Flavoring agent that is used in butter, that is diacetyl. Yellow color of butter is due to the presence of annatto. Vitamin D content is increased in milk by using ultraviolet rays treatment, that is known as irradiated milk. Okay. Now again that topic has started. Okay. Then these were all the questions that has been asked or that can be asked in the examination regarding the milk. Once you go to the now we are going to upload the PDF also. Okay, you can see PDF also. You will get every information regarding the milk, whatever has been taught in the classes. Now once you go to our PDF notes, and after that you see once all these questions and important points which I have discussed today, you will find that you are now very comfortable in the topic of milk, and you can easily solve in the examinations. After that, we have already told you in the last lecture about our courses. We have reduced the cost of all the courses, okay, by seeing in the present scenario of our country. Okay, now see, already NABARD notification is also out there. Okay, IBPS notification will also come. So I think now it's the best time to start for your preparation. Okay, now if you have to preparation, you need everything in a summarized manner, because now it's hardly 5 months is left in the examination, so you need everything in a summarized manner and in an organized manner. Okay, so you can see our courses. This already I have discussed in the classroom, that we have our one complete package course in which we'll have all the pre-recorded classes, weekly doubt session, detailed PDF notes, and summary sheets for all the subjects, subject-wise quiz, and 30 full-length mock test. Okay, this actual price of this course is 2,800, but by using the code A425, you can get this course in 2,100. Another is only video lecture that will also cover the interview classes. That actual class cost is 2,000, but you can available it in 23% discount, that you can available it in 1,550 course. Like this, we have the courses regarding the only PDF and the interview classes, that guidelines that you can get in 999. And plus, if you want PDF plus the test series, okay, summary sheets, all these that you can get in 1,450. Then you see all the different students need different type of courses. You see according to your convenience which course is suited for you, and just you can contact in our number. Okay, thank you. See you in next lecture.